Harry Potter characters made of jelly bean. Of course, my most favorite, Harry Potter. And then ceremony, and a while ago, Ron Weasley. And there you go. Well, I like the design. Wow. Oh, and that's the official mascot. And on the other side, then there's Elsa, and then Star Wars. And, I'm not sure. So, ayan, kung gusto nyo ng pag-tour, ayan, dito ka bibili. And there's a tour, souvenirs here. Oh, galing na stairs nila, oh. The elevator. And then there's this souvenir shop. Souvenir shop, Jelly Belly. Ayan. Actually, marami kayong pwedeng bilhin, guys. Ang dami. Ay, gusto ko yun, no? Stop toy. Ito, meron pa maliliit dito. Hey. And there's also mug over here. Some mug. And cup. And even, is this board? Looks like a board game. And then this for the kids, tumbler. Yay. And some more souvenirs. You can wear this, actually. And also, we're sporty. Like this. Oh. Ay, ito parang bagay sa pamangkin ko to. Ika lang. And marami silang t-shirt pa. And gusto nyo postcard. And ito, pwede ito sa office, guys. Necktie. Bili nga ako na. Ay, that's a lit na. Relax ball. Ay, scarf din, no? Ayan, tas dito, ayan, marami pang ayan, jelly bean. Actually, guys, malulula kayo sa dami. Ayan, daming selection. Yan, ano kaya masarap dito? Ang dami. Yan. Yan pa. Oh, pwede kayo mag-grocery actually ng jelly beans dito. Ang dami. Sa kablang side, ayan, ang dami pa, guys. Ay, ito gusto ko to. Ang cute. Cute. Also here. Cute din, no? Ayan. Ito yung kanina. Gusto ko rin. Dami gusto. Ayan. And then, ay, ito yung Barbie. Barbie and Hot Wheels. So, may collab sila. Ay, ito gusto ng pamangkin ko. Barbie. Ay, I mean Hot Wheels. Yan, sister ko pala, Barbie. Yan. Hot Wheels again. And then, Barbie. So, collab with Jelly Bean. Guys, so lunch time. So dito kami kakain. Hibachi Grill and Buffet. Yan, magbo-buffet kami with my US family. Yay! Yun guys, so busog na. Although naka 2 rounds lang ako. Ayan. So, sobrang sulit naman. So, marami silang healthy food. Ayan. So, yan. Punta na kayo dito. I think $19 lang. Yan. For adult. Siyempre, pag kids, mas mura. So, yun. Sulit. Sobrang sulit para sa akin. And enjoy ko siyempre yung buffet. Okay? So, nasa ano to? Fairfield, California.